Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Liz, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy crock pot chili. This recipe is amazing and I recently got a crock pot and now I'm literally in love with it. So yeah, the first thing that we're going to start doing is cutting up half an onion or onion, as many as you like, and then I'm gonna cut up my red peppers as well. So what we're gonna do with this is actually add it to our ground turkey. You can use whatever protein you like. I'm going to start by adding this olive oil spray to my pan. Then I'm gonna add my ground turkey, and then I'm going to add my onions and peppers in there, and I'm just going to cook it until the onions and pepper are a little bit cooked. I'm just gonna stir it, mix it all together, and everything is gonna cook in the crock pot at the same time. Okay, so everything is cooked. If you wanted to have more color, you can add some paprika or anything for coloring. I'm just gonna add it to my crock pot. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna add some chili beans, mild chili beans. I'm gonna add some sweet corn. I'm gonna add some diced tomato. These are basil, garlic, and oregano. And I'm gonna also add this black bean corn salsa in there. But if you guys don't have a salsa, you can add refried beans just for the consistency. If not, it's gonna be too watery. And I'm also gonna add some beef broth. Okay, so I'm just gonna be opening up my cans manually because I don't have one of those electric thingies. Not thingies, can openers. And I'm just gonna drain a little bit of the juice. Well, not a little bit, I drained everything except for the tomatoes. I actually put the whole thing in there. Then I'm going to add half a cup of beef broth and also 1 cup of water. So once everything is in there, you're just gonna take your spoon. Mine is a cool spoon from Dominican Republic that my mom gave me, and it's like super long. So I'm gonna try to mix everything as best as I can in here, and then I'll show you guys in a second. There you go, everything is mixed. And here's the part where you do all the seasoning. I didn't season the meats or anything because I wanted it to be here, so I'm just gonna add some salt, some garlic powder, some pepper, and last but not least, some chili powder. And mix, mix, mix. Alright guys, so it's been about 3 hours and you see like the juice is coming up. And I just wanted to give everything a quick stir. It smells so good in my kitchen that day, and I just wanted to show you guys the consistency. I like for it to be a little bit soupy, not too much. Alright guys, the moment you all been waiting for, my chili is completely done. It's been about 5 hours or so. Everything tastes so delicious. Like, I cannot believe that it worked out so well. You know, it was my first time making it, but it was just so good. Everyone who tried it loved it. So right here I'm just, you know, serving myself some because I can't wait. And then I'm just gonna top mine off with a little bit of ranch and a little bit of cheddar cheese on top. And oh my god, once that cheese melts, ooh, tastes delicious. Alright guys, so I also wanted to show you what I did with this. I bought these containers at the Dollar Tree. I brought 3 of them, which is perfect. They're like little soup containers. Well, that's what I'm using them for. And I'm just gonna fill this up. I wanted this to be part of my meal prep. For the next 3 days, I do not have to buy lunch, and this is so filling because of all the stuff that it has in there, the beans, the ground turkey, the corn, everything. So I also got those little containers at the Dollar Tree again, and I'm just gonna pack some cheddar cheese, and that's gonna be my lunch. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this recipe and give it a try. Bye.